Hello friends, welcome to my channel Eat Swadis. Today's recipe is roasted gram flour kachori. Let's start the video. At first, note down the ingredients. The ingredients are gram flour, salt, hing, sunflower oil, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, refined wheat flour. Preheat the pan for 1 minute. Then add 1 tablespoon fennel seeds and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and saute it for 1 minute. Now take it out from the pan and crush it evenly. We will take 4 medium tablespoons of roasted gram flour in a bowl. After that, add 2 small teaspoons of salt. Then add 2 small teaspoons of hing and 2 small teaspoons of previously made roasted cumin fennel powder. Then add 1 tablespoon sunflower oil to prepare the kachori mix. Now mix the all ingredients with water. Take 4 medium tablespoons of refined wheat flour. Now add 1 tablespoon salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed cumin and fennel powder, half teaspoon sunflower oil. Now prepare the dough by adding some water. When the dough is ready, make smaller doughs out of it for the flatbread. After that, take a small amount of kachori mix and put into doughs as shown in the video. Now we will roll out the doughs evenly and fry it in sunflower oil. Our kachori is fully ready. Serve it with a sabzi. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I love you all. Bye.